Okay, we're looking at a pretty dirty coil here. Part of the service should be to take a look at these coils and see if they need to be cleaned. This one should be back flushed and cleaned up for the best performance. Okay, this is a coil when it's cleaned up. Now don't expect huge differences in head pressure on these. Sometimes it doesn't make a lot of difference. I'm going to reference another video that showed that there wasn't a lot of difference. But the coil should be cleaned. I don't want to say you should not clean it. So just back flush it from the inside with a hose, maybe using a little bit of a cleaner just to keep it up clean, because eventually this is going to cause a problem. So that's pretty much cleaning coil. I don't need to show you how to do it or anything. It's pretty simple.